Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Thank you for taking the time to tune into my channel. Today I am on with a haul from Hobby Lobby, Ollie's, Dollar Tree, and I picked up a couple of things from Goodwill. So when I went into Hobby Lobby, they had these little bins on sale for 49 cents. So I grabbed a few of these. I ended up getting this fat quarter for $1.79, really cute. I got this fat quarter for $1.79. In the party section, I got a pack of these popcorn bags. They weren't on sale, but they were $1.99. There's 25 in the package, so I grabbed a pack of these. These were on sale. These were the paper sacks. They were 49 cents, 12 count. They're black. I grabbed a bag of these. I grabbed a bag of the red ones that were also on sale for 49 cents. They had these table runners. These were 62 cents. I grabbed one of these. Over in the Christmas section, I grabbed a pack of the Creative Life foil stickers. As you know, Hobby Lobby has their Christmas section right now on sale for half off, so I grabbed these. I grabbed these stickers too. These are really cute. So there's what, 45, 46 in here. These were $2.49. They were half off. I grabbed a pack of the decorative crinkle. It was on sale for 74 cents. I got some of these felt stickers. They were on sale for 49 cents. Cute. I got a pack of these note cards. These were 49 cents. This says, "You're the best." I love this. This is nice. I grabbed a pack of these gift tags. These were 24 cents. Over in the school section, I grabbed a pack of these mini cutouts. These were 40% off. Oops. In the party section, I grabbed these note cards. You know I love these. You know I love that bee. These were 49 cents. So I grabbed a pack of these. In the baking section that I dropped on the floor a second ago, I grabbed these cookie cutouts. These were 74 cents. Oh, me. I grabbed a pack of these leather stamp sets. This was $4.99. This is what they look like. I grabbed a pack of the leather edge finish set. It was $6.99. So here is a pack of streamer. It was 49 cents. I got a pack of this. In the Christmas ribbon fabric section, I got this particular ribbon. It was $4.99. This is half off as well. So pretty. See, it's so pretty. Not to just be in your face, but so that you can see it, because I see there's a glare. So pretty. I grabbed this. This is so pretty. This is really nice. This was $4.99, half off as well. I grabbed this one. $4.99, half off as well. And I grabbed this one. It's $4.99. I grabbed this. It only says Merry Christmas, but I like this. Then I went on to Dollar Tree. While in Dollar Tree, they came across this beautiful sunflower napkin. It was $1.25. I got one of these peel and stick window films. I thought this was cute. I also got this one. These were $1.50. And while I was in there, I got this Sterilite little container with a lid for $1.50. I think it's $1.50. Okay? Wonderful for storage, right? All right, now I'm going to cover, what else is it? Yeah, I'm going to cover Ollie's now, okay? When I went to Ollie's, we all know Ollie's is hit and miss now. And so they had a couple of things over in the craft section, but I was like, I'm kind of stickered out. None of the stickers were new. They really haven't put anything out that's really, just like really, really new. But I did find this spring activities book for 99 cents. I only got one. Naturally, my purpose is at some point in time to use some of these pages in some of my journals or in just some of my crafting. Like I said, they were 99 cents and I only got one, okay? They had this little golden book. We Are Afro Unicorns. It was $1.99. I got this. I liked it. I got this. This is really cute. Cute. They had this Star Wars golden book, Obi-Wan Kenobi. I got this. It was $1.99. They had this big golden book, Cat in the Hat. It was $3.99. I got it. Like it. They also had this Cat in the Hat, King Cecil the Seahorse. It was $3.99. It's cute. I got that. And one of the final items that I got from Ollie's, they had this Wicked book. Now, this is from the actual Broadway musical. It was $6.99. The reason I got this book is, I don't know if you can tell. You can see, but you can't probably tell. It has, all of this is embossed, okay? This is flat, but this is not flat, but these are flat and this is flat. This is embossed. And I love the distressing on the side. And I love the distressed look on the back. I didn't realize that was broke, but it'd be okay. I'll cover it up. Within the book, as I've often stated, I love when I come across pages that look aged. Okay? So it's got a lot in the book, a lot of images. I love this. This gives off that Tim Holtz effect. And to me, for $6.99, I was like, you know what? This is worth it. I might not use it right now, but in bits and pieces, I will. I like this a lot. And like I said, this is the rendition from the musical itself, okay? So these are the things that I got from Ollie's. Let me cover the few items that I got from Goodwill. So while in the Goodwill store, I came across this Cricut infusible ink for coasters. So I grabbed it. It was $2.99. For $1.99, I think it was half off too. For $1.99, I came across this little pouch that has these little Post-its in there. And I said, oh, that would be wonderful in some of my journaling. So I grabbed it. It says 60 loose cards. Honestly, I don't know how many are in there, but I thought that was cute. And then I said, you know what? I could always repurpose and use these as well. Okay. I picked up these packages of file folders. It says they were from Michael's. On here, they had that it's $4.99. So when I look at this, as I'm looking at it more now, essentially I've gotten, 6. I've gotten 6 packages in here for $4.99, so I grabbed these. I grabbed 2 packages. I felt like just go ahead and grab it. So how many are in here? Same amount. Yep. So I've gotten 12 packages of file folders from Michael's pretty much for $10. While walking around, I ended up getting, on the same amount, I got this Bo Bunny My Edgy album, cascading chipboard album. Just got the holes in it already. Chipboard. Here's what it looks like. Oh, there it is. This is what it looks like. This is neat. If I choose to use it this way, this is neat. I got it for $3.99. And the last thing that I picked up, I don't know if all the pages are in here. I don't know. But I got this for $2.99. This is, it says Lost and Found, My Mind's Eye. It says it has 24 sheets in here. Once again, I don't know if it does. I didn't bother to, double check. But I can see where a couple of pages have been used a little bit, but that's still okay. I'll do a quick flip through on here for you and for me. I really like this a lot. I like that. Once again, these are the pages that were used. And just a little bit too. Look, not much was used. Okay. So that's the same page. Okay, I like that. Nice. I don't think very much has been used out of this pad at all. I like it though. I like it a lot. And once again, it was $2.99. So everyone, that is going to conclude my haul from Goodwill, Ollie's, Hobby Lobby, and Dollar Tree. And I just want to, I really want to say, if you can get over to Dollar Tree and find these, it would be a wonderful thing. They had this color, and they had the ones that were black with the yellow on the top. I didn't want those. I use those for my storage in my garage. But for inside, like once again, and they're Sterilite, these were $1.50. So if you can get over there and find them, if you're interested in it, it would really be a wonderful find. So everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again, I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care.